Hey folks, it's Randy Goss. I'm here at Woodbury Coffee and Organics here in Woodbury, Georgia this morning. I'll come here often because it's the closest coffee shop, but it's also one of the best in my area. Definitely the best down here in Woodbury. I just wanted to share this piece with you that I wrote, and I started it earlier and it went out, but then it looked like it was doubling up, so I deleted one of them. I thought ended up deleting the whole thing. So here goes. You are more than what they have, and you don't. Although I speak of your temporal reality, I must move forward. Though the invitation is to we, the whosoever will, you and or they follow Jesus, laying aside the snacks preferred by the flesh, at war with the spirit, or the sour you don't like not knowing. While the journey may be long, the journey of a repentant leads to the sweet presence of Jesus, leaving they and self, enduring the pain of separation of all that, with a hope of embracing the invitation and journey, and finally the hope where the temporal no longer matters and the good eternity overcomes all things, just as Jesus defeated death, hell, and the grave. Or your sweetness leads to the sour alternative of what Jesus defeated. Jesus said in his word in John chapter 14, he said, "You hope in God, hope also in me." Go look it up. God bless y'all.